I'm not able to practice English speaking language because I don't have English speaking environment. I don't have English speaking friends. Even my parents don't know how to speak in English. So how am I going to practice in English? All these are common excuses. Yes, these all are excuses. Keep aside all those excuses and focus on what you want to learn. If you have the willpower to learn, you yourself will find a way to practice. Trust me, if you are keen to learn the spoken English, you need to put your 100% and rest, destiny will find you a way. Hi, my name is Chanda. Welcome to my channel Be Confident. Here I help you to take yourself to the next level. If you have not subscribed, do hit the red button down below and motivate me to make such videos for you. Well, the more you speak, the more comfortable you will feel while you are speaking. To make yourself speak more, you can watch YouTube English videos. Well, all YouTubers tell you to watch YouTube English videos. But I want to tell you that whatever video you're watching, watch it for at least 2 or 3 times. Watching only one time is not enough. If you watch the same video for 2 or 3 times, the sentence and patterns, the way that the YouTuber has explained to you, you can understand it or you can retain those phrases, words in your mind, and you can use it when you are speaking. For that, you have to watch one particular video for 2 or 3 times, and then only you can use those words, because the more you listen, the more you can speak. Now, second way you can practice English speaking is by sharing your experience to yourself. Let me explain you how. Well, you all might have heard about the mirror technique, right? Standing in front of the mirror and telling whatever you know is one of the best way to practice English alone at home. But the thing is that what will you say when you stand in front of a mirror? You need something, you need some topic. So the best way is to share your experience to yourself. Nobody can explain your experience better than you. So whenever you try to speak about a topic that you are very familiar with, you will find it easy to speak rather than those topics that are unfamiliar to you. Now, what experience will you share? Say for example, share about the experience that you had during Pongal. Now first describe how did you celebrate the 4-day long Pongal. What activities did you do or you want to do? What are the delicious food that you had? Or what are your plans to celebrate the coming festival Pongal? The reason for why I told about the Pongal festival is that whenever you say about the event that you feel connected, you yourself gain the confidence to say that, and words automatically flow from the heart, and you can speak easily without any hesitation. So this is an effective way to practice English speaking alone at home. Now another way is to listen to English stories while you are sleeping or while you are about to sleep. You can utilize your time even after lying on the bed. Well, after lying on the bed, we immediately don't feel asleep. At least it takes 10 to 15 minutes for us to fall asleep. So we can utilize those 10 to 15 minutes time by searching some beautiful English stories on YouTube. Do it for every day. The more you'll be listening, the more clear you will have idea on the language. Try to utilize each and every minute of your life. Time is very precious. Will help you to develop your speaking English skill. If you like my video and if you want your friends too can improve through this video, share it with your friends, share it on your WhatsApp group and spread it as much as you can. Comment below what are the other techniques you know to practice speaking English alone at home so that others too can learn from you. But you don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.